Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we will be working on this beautiful old charm sideboard. Just look at these beautiful carvings.
We'll be painting it the same as we painted these old charm sideboards, but this one is going to be the green version of it. So stay with us to see how we achieve this look.
We started by sanding the top and the bottom part of the piece, as it had a lot of scratches, so we sanded them down with an 80 grit first, and then we smoothed out the wood with 320 grit. We cleaned the piece inside out with white lightening Dixie Belle Furniture cleaner, and for this we used an abrasive cloth, also a toothbrush. This is so handy for the carvings. We rinsed the piece twice only with water and let it dry for a few hours. Next step is applying Slick Stick, which is an adhesion primer. It is amazing, make sure you check it out. We applied 2 coats and then we let it dry for about 24 hours.
Let's start working on the first coat. This first coat is just helping us to visualize where the color needs to be on the second coat, so we don't need to work too much on the blending right now. I started with putty and the damp brush. The next color is Limeade. We use this color a lot. It's pretty and quite vibrant, isn't it? Then I applied some mint julep and underneath I applied kudzu, but really I should have just applied kudzu because the mint julep didn't done too much here. I used a synthetic brush and the same for all of the colors, and I use one brush for each color. The next color is the best, Tree Frog Green. Okay, so now we applied our last color, which is the pretty palmetto, and then we waited 2 hours before applying the second coat. And here we go again with putty. I applied it first on the top, then going to the middle of the drawer where I will have less paint than in the beginning. And it will just be easier to blend the harsh line between the two colors, and the blending will go so smooth. And I applied Limeade in the same way, but from the bottom to the middle. And I blended them with a clean brush. For this second coat, we actually need a clean brush close to blend the colors using horizontal, vertical, and mostly side motions until I get the blending right. Now I added the kudzu, which I'm going to blend with Tree Frog Green. And as you can see, I applied the Tree Frog Green in like a V shape. I lift up the corners because the blending will just be easier and to look like seamless and super nice. And I did the same now with the palmetto. And I just used horizontal,
On the top, we applied 2 coats of voodoo gel stain in tobacco road using a brush, and we waited about 25 minutes in between the coats. There is no doubt this is our favorite shade, we have used it so much. We let the piece to dry overnight, and then we applied 3 coats of clear coat, letting each one to dry for about 2 hours.
Now we are moving to work on the details with golden gilding wax. I picked up some wax and then I just went over the handles and all of the details. It's like dry brushing with gilding wax. The most exciting part to apply wax is the darkest part, as you really see the wax doing its magic. Anyway, I apply the wax over these gorgeous carvings and kinda going like a rum shape on the details. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, or it just inspired in any way. And if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye!